Hi everyone, I am back with a beautiful and easy crochet lace design. So let's start. First of all, make 8 basic chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And close the ring, making a slip stitch into the first chain. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 7 double crochet into the ring. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Including these 3 chains, I have 8 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in the next chain make 1 double crochet. Chain 1. Skip chain 1 and into the next make 1 double crochet. Chain 1. Skip 1 chain into the next make 1 double crochet. Chain 1. Skip next chain and in the last make 1 double crochet. Chain 1. Turn the work and in the first chain make single crochet. In space make single crochet. In next chain make single crochet. In the space single crochet. In next chain single crochet, into the space single crochet, and in the chain last chain make single crochet. Into the ring again make 8 double crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2. And make 7 more double crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn the work. Skip first chain, into the next make 1 double crochet. Chain 1. Skip next chain, into the next make 1 double crochet. Chain 1. Skip next, into the next make 1 double crochet. Chain 1. Skip this chain, in the last make 1 double crochet. Chain 1. Turn the work. In the first chain make single crochet. Into the space make single crochet. In next chain single crochet. In the space single crochet. In next chain single crochet. Again make 8 double crochet. 1, 2. Repeat this procedure till your requirement. 4, 6, 7. The design will look like this. I hope you will like this. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.